Welcome to the academic writing series created by Ask Academic Skills at Brunel University. In this episode, we'll be discussing how to structure paragraphs. You might wonder, what is the point of paragraphs? But then consider this wall of text and think how it would feel to have to read through it. Paragraphs actually serve several important functions, just by virtue of being individual blocks of text. Each paragraph should cover a single point, and so they help reorganize our ideas, they clarify arguments, and they provide a visual indicator to the reader that a new idea or point is about to begin. The visual importance of paragraphs should not be underestimated. An essay filled with paragraphs that are all different sizes is going to indicate a cluttered mind, and tell your reader that you don't have much to say that's worth listening to. While an essay with paragraphs that are all about the same size tells your reader that your ideas are cogent and well organized. Now, this is not to say that there is a definitive length a paragraph must be. Some of us write in longer paragraphs, some shorter. But whatever length they tend to be, they should be relatively consistent. So that's why paragraphs matter. But how do you construct one? The anatomy of the paragraph is actually quite simple. Just remember this acronym, SEE. It stands for statement, evidence, and explanation. By statement, what we mean is topic sentence. The topic sentence certainly announces the topic of your paragraph, but the important thing to remember is that it is a claim or an argument. You need to be illustrating some form of academic opinion. It is not just a statement of fact or a summary of what someone else has said. Now, the reason you're allowed to give this academic opinion is because you're going to back it up straight away with evidence. These are your references. References can come in two different forms. They can be direct references, which you would do using inverted commas, where you are quoting exactly what someone else has said, or indirect references, where you are paraphrasing or taking what other people have said and putting them in your own words. Now, what some people often forget is the final aspect of a paragraph, which is the explanation. This is the significance of the information you have presented and the explanation of any references that you have introduced. Here's an example paragraph that follows the SEE formula. You may want to pause the video to read it through. It begins with a statement which makes an argument because it states that one form of marketing can be better than another form. And it can make this argument because it introduces three different references that can back up that point. Finally, it establishes what the significance of these points are. When you follow the SEE formula, it ensures that all of your paragraphs are fully developed. And what that means is you should never have a one-sentence paragraph in your essay. That is an undeveloped paragraph. As long as you have the S, E, and E, you will know that you have all the elements necessary to have a fully developed and thoughtful argument. This has been a presentation by Ask Academic Skills at Brunel University.